What's up everyone, this is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel where we give you daily updates on the crypto market. Today we will be covering another airdrop as I showed in my previous video. I'm talking about Mars Protocol today. We will be covering 5 topics. The first topic, what is Mars Protocol? The second one, for who is the airdrop? The third one, where to claim and how? The fourth thing, what is the airdrop worth? And then the fifth and the last thing of today, how to stake the airdrop and what is the reward. Yesterday I already made a short video, less than 1 minute, about Mars Protocol, the airdrop. So make sure to go check that out before you watch this video. It's only 1 minute. Alright, let's get into it. So if we come to the page of Mars Protocol, we can see this is to lend and borrow tokens on the Terra blockchain. So this is in the terraluna ecosystem. This is a dApp. You arrived on Mars, Terra's blockchain credit protocol. So this is basically a DeFi protocol that will give you the possibility to lend and borrow tokens on the Terra blockchain. So if we look further and we take a look at their Twitter, you will see the galaxy's most powerful credit protocol. The Twitter is operated by DEFI Labs. If you don't know DEFI Labs, go research them. They are well known in the crypto space. So here you can find a lot of information on the Twitter, anything you need to know. They did a lot of Ask Me Anything. So this is very interesting for the people who want to know more about the project. You can join this EMA and you can ask anything you want. So now that we have seen that, we will take a look for who is the airdrop. So we go to the page. I will provide every link that I use in the description of my video, so make sure to use that. So if we take a look at this page, we will see they are airdropping a total of 10 million Mars to LUNA stakers, bLUNA holders, and LUNAX holders. So the users who have staked at least 10 LUNA or held at least 10 bLUNA or LUNAX by January the 1st, 2022 are eligible to claim the airdrop. Also a thing you should keep in mind, the snapshot was taken on January the 1st, 2022. So if you were not staking already then, you will not be eligible for the airdrop. So let's go to the page and check it out. Now the first thing we need to do is connect our wallet. If we click connect, this will give us 4 options. Normally everyone uses TerraStation wallet. This is the original and you should be using that one. But you can also choose other ones if you would have problems or you have some issues. Like I had made a video yesterday about my issue. I couldn't connect my TerraStation because I couldn't access my Terra address that I created with my Ledger and the Cosmos app, not the Terra app. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please go to my previous video. If you then still have problems, leave a comment and explain me what your problem is, and I will make sure to help you and make a video about it. So now today I need to use the XDeFi wallet. So the first thing I do is click onto the XDeFi wallet. Then you click in the top right corner and you choose prioritize XDeFi. This is very important that you do this because now it will come above the connection with TerraStation. You will see this in a minute. So now go back, first refresh the page. Now that it's refreshed, click connect wallet. When we click connect, we just choose XDeFi wallet. This will connect immediately with our wallet. So this is my old Terra address that I created with a Ledger and Cosmos app. So for everyone who has done the same as me and have some problems to access it, go check my previous video, how to use TerraStation with Ledger and the Cosmos app. So now, how are we gonna claim this airdrop? We just click right here as it shows. You can see it says locked and unlocked. Locked, this was for the previous months. Now it's already unlocked, so you can claim the full airdrop. You will see you need a transaction fee of 0.04 USD. I myself, I don't have USD in this wallet, so I will show you very quick how I'm going to bring USD to this wallet. So the first thing we do is we click onto our Terra State extension. We access this wallet with our Terra app and the Ledger. Once we have opened that, we just click send. Then we just choose the address that we want our money to by clicking right here, copy your address, then go back to the Terra State extension, just paste the address, choose your amount. I'm just going to take 1 USD because it's enough. Now click submit. Now you need to confirm this into the ledger. Approve. Now broadcasting transaction. As you can see, success. So we just sent it 1 USD to my address so I can claim the airdrop. If you still have any questions or problems, just leave a comment, alright? So now let's get back to the page. So we have now 2 USD because I did the transaction 2 times. One time I recorded it, one time not. So if we click on the airdrop, we can now claim our unlocked rewards. Now you need to close the Terra app onto your ledger and open the Cosmos app. Just click this wallet, confirm. Now you need to confirm this into your ledger. Click approve. Just confirm. So now it's still loading, but what can we do? We just go to the DEFI wallet and we're going to try to add this asset to be able to see if we already claimed it, yes or no, because the transaction keeps loading. So we just click onto this, add asset, then click Mars, choose this one, click next, confirm. Alright, so the token is not claimed. So we are still waiting to this transaction to approve. So let's see what it's going to give. So I just refreshed the page. If we now click onto this, you will see nothing to claim. So go back to our DEFI wallet. If you can see, we have 0 Mars. So there's something wrong. I added the wrong token, I guess. So let's go add asset, click Mars, and choose this one, Mars token. Not XMars, but Mars token Terra. That's going to be the right one. Alright, confirm. As you can see, this is your airdrop. So I have claimed 56 Mars. So my airdrop is fully claimed. So if you still have problems or questions, just leave a comment. So now we will be covering what is the price, what is it worth, this airdrop. Let's see it. So if you just put in Mars CoinGecko, you will see you get some different projects. This is the right one. So don't click on other ones. Also, always make sure to check the description of my video because I will be always dropping all the links that I use into my videos. So you don't need to research it. So the price is 70 cents. So I claimed an airdrop of 56 tokens. So let's do the math. We have 0.68. We're gonna multiply this by 56 tokens. So what is the outcome? This is an airdrop worth $40. So it's a really small airdrop of $40. That's not much. I expected more, but that's not a problem. I'm not going to sell it. So we come to the 5th topic of today. How to stake the airdrop and what is the reward. So let's get into it. If we just connect our wallet, we log in. We just click onto Council right on the top above. You will see your stakeable Mars, and this is the EPY. This is a very small EPY, I know. But it's still better than your bank. So we have an EPY of 0.01. So I will show you today how to stake this. I myself, I'm not gonna sell my airdrop because it's too small. It's not much money, it's $40, $50. Why would I sell? I'm just gonna hold this and who knows, maybe in the future it does a 10x, 100x or 1000x even. It is all possible because it's a very, very early project. So I'm just gonna stake 50 Mars fully. I don't care. I'm just gonna stake it. We will see what it brings in the future. So click on stake. Then you will need to confirm this into your DeFi wallet. Just click confirm. Alright, confirming into my ledger. Approved. Alright, transaction successful. We have staked 50 Mars. Close. And now we will see my staked Mars right here. We don't see it right now, so we just click refresh. Oh, we don't need to click. So we see our staked Mars right here. I will keep you updated how the reward is going. Maybe it can go higher in the future. We never know that. Also, if you want to see how this works, feels, this is farming. So you basically can farm at an EPY of 50% if you provide LUNA and USD and liquidity pool. You can also farm Mirror Protocol in USD at 70% EPY and Anchor USD at 150% EPY. So if you want to see how this goes, please leave a comment and I will make a video about it. Also, for all the people who are staking Luna, terraluna, if you never claimed an airdrop of Mirror Protocol or Anchor Protocol, leave a comment and I will make a video about this because it's very important that you claim it. This too give you weekly airdrops. So leave a comment if you don't know how to claim this. So this was it for today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna be dropping daily airdrops. These upcoming days from now on are gonna be all about airdrops. I will show some other videos between because I post once a day at least. Some days I post 2 times, 3 times, even 4 times as possible. So let me know as a community, what do you want to see? How many videos on a day you want to see? Which kind of videos do you want to see? Just leave that in the comment and show me some support. Also, don't forget about our giveaway that we are doing for the first 100 subscribers. This is a giveaway of 3 Juno worth $150. So make sure that you have the chance to win this one. I will see you into the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.